am here. I am present. I am safe. With each inhalation, I invite peace. With each exhale, I release stress. I soften into this flow. I let my body move with ease and awareness. My breath is deep, calm, and steady. My body knows how to heal. I welcome stillness into my mind. I welcome love into my heart. Every pause brings me closer to myself. Every breath brings me home. With each inhalation, I invite peace. With each exhalation, I release stress. I am safe. I am present. I am here in this moment with full gratitude. Every pause brings me closer to myself. Every breath brings me home. I am aligned with the rhythm of life. I trust the wisdom within me. As I stretch, as I grow stronger and more open, as I breathe, I connect to the divine within. I am grateful for this body. I am grateful for this breath. I am grateful for this moment. Let your shoulder relax. Let your thoughts quiet down. I surrender the need to control. I flow with the trust and grace. I radiate calm. I radiate love. I radiate presence. In this moment, I am enough. In this body, I am whole. I inhale strength. I exhale doubt. I choose peace over pressure. I choose presence over perfection. Let yourself be held by this moment. Nothing else is needed. Just your breath, your body, your presence. I am energy in motion. I am grounded and limitless at once. I open my heart to joy. I open my spirit to flow. I am connected to my purpose. I am flowing in harmony with life. As I end this practice, I carry this peace within me. I carry this light within me. I honor myself. I honor this journey. Thank you for sharing this sacred space. May peace walk with you, and may the light within you continue to shine. May you be guided by love, grounded in the truth, and held in divine grace energy.